So, yan. Good morning, engineering buddies. Here we go again on another day, another set of problems under plane geometry, circles, and other miscellaneous figures. So, let's solve this problem number 4. I think example number 4 na natin to. Okay. So, a circle whose area is 452 square centimeter is cut into two segments by a chord whose distance from the center of the circle is 6 centimeters. Find the area of the larger segment in centimeters squared. Sige. So, first things first, let's draw the figure para madali natin mag-visualize kung ano ba yung nasa problem. No? So, lakihan na natin. So, meron tayong circle. Ang area daw niyan is 452 square centimeter. So, lagyan na natin. Area ng malaking circle is equal to 452 square centimeter. Which is, ang area na is pi r squared, di ba? So, dito pala kunin na natin yung radius kasi for sure magagamit natin yan. So, dito makakuha ka ng value ng radius na gamitin natin na cycle ulit natin. So, 452 divided by the pi. Teka, ba't di ko maano yung pi? Ito ba? Okay. Hanapin ko lang, nasan yung pi? Ayun. 452 divided by 143 kasi square root pa ng answer. Square root ng answer. Ulit. Square root ng 452 divided by pi. 11.994. So, let's round off it to 12 na lang. So, 12 centimeters yung radius ng circle. Next, dahil nakakuha tayo ng ang tabi dito is cut into two segment by a chord. When we say chord, yan. Ito yung chord. Hinati niya din sa dalawang segment. May larger segment and may smaller segment. Yan. Hinati yung circle into two. Next, whose distance from the center of the circle is 6 centimeters. So, let's estimate the center. So, let's say this center. So, ito daw is 6 centimeter. Kita natin. Yan. So, yan daw is 6 centimeter. So, ang hinahanap dito, area ng larger segment. So, let's say ito na lang area 1, ito area 2. Yung area 2 yung hihanapin natin. So, paano natin isi-solve yan? Ngayon, pag nakakita ko ng ganitong problem, di ba may nabuukan ng ganyan, gawa ka ulit ng triangle. Pwede mong gawin is here. Yan, extend mo dun up to this one. Then, copy. Yan. So, may dalawa kang triangle na ganyan. Next, alam natin na itong red dots, yung red dotted line na yan, broken line, is the radius of the circle, which is 12. So, yan, 12 to. Ito, 12 din. So, you can name it as theta. Ito both theta. So, theta over 2. Same it here. Theta over 2. So, paano mo makukuha yan? Pwede kang cosine. So, malalaman natin cosine theta over 2 is equal to adjacent. Ano ba yung adjacent side ni, which is 6 over the hypotenuse, which is 12. So, makakuha ka ng value ng theta dyan. Okay? Ay, sorry. Cosine x over 2 is just equal to 6 all over 12. So, makakuha ka ng dalawang value niyan. Pero lalabas lang dyan, itong 120. So, theta is 120 degrees. So, kung yung theta na yan, 120 degrees, ito baka magamit natin. Itong na to, since area ang angle, interior angle of circle is 360 degrees, one rotation. So, ito, malamang 240 degrees na yan. Okay? Magagamit din natin siya mamaya. Next, paano makukuha yung area nung area 2 na yan? Di ba ang area 2 is composed of the area of the triangle plus the area of the, ano ba tawag dyan? Sector. Balik tayo dito. Yan. Yan. Area ng sector of the circle. Yan. Yan yung sa property sa parts ng circle, no? So, yung area 2 is just pi r squared. Since ito yung sector na isaw ito yung malaking sector. Di ba? Isolate natin. Di ba meron kang line na ganyan? Ito yung chord. Hindi siya semicircle pero sige baka. Parang ganyan. Tanggalin na natin itong line na to. Yan yung area 2 Tapos, di ba meron kang red na dotted line pero broke, lang siya dito. Di ba nakaganyan siya? Yan, sabihin natin ganyan. Yan. Parang nakaganyan. Balikan lang natin ulit yung definition ng sector. Ang sector of the circle. So, di ba ito yung triangle na, di ba ito yung drawing na, sa drawing natin, meron nakaganyan. Yan, di ba? May nakaganyan. Di ba ito yung triangle na, inano natin, parang ganyan. Tapos may sector ka pa. Yan, sector of the circle. Okay? Ito yung sector of the circle. Ito. Okay? Ito yung sector ng circle. Tapos yung theta na tinutukoy dun sa itong theta na to, ito yung 240 degrees. Yan. Okay? Okay. So, balik tayo dito. Pi r squared theta, pi r squared. Tapos yung theta niya is yung 240 over 360 plus area ng triangle which is 1/2 r squared sine theta. Anong theta yan? Yung 120. Yan. Ang tawag dyan is scissors rule yan Pag binalikan niyo yung plane geometry, so yan, makakuha tayo ng value ng area 2 dyan. So yung r squared naman is 12. So pi 12 squared, which is 144. Tapos 240 degrees all over 360 plus yan, makakuha tayo ng value na 363.95 square centimeter. So, yan yung area 2. So, that's our final answer. Ulitin ko lang itong area 2 is composed of the triangle and the sector. Balikan nyo ulit to sa parts ng circle. Yan, ito yung sector of the circle. Okay? So, that's how you solve this problem. So, meron pa tayong couple of problems, no? So, for more engineering tutorials, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga future pa nating tutorials. So, if you have recommendation or questions, so please leave a comment. Magre-reply naman po ako dyan. So, yun, padayon engineers!